Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on a web cache poisoning lab in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. It is web cache poisoning via an unkeyed query string. Query string is unkeyed. User regular its home page. Solve lab. Poison the home page with a response that executes alert 1 in the victim's browser. Hint. You can use Pragma Xkey cache. I didn't know that. Use a query parameter as a cache buster. There's a common request header that will be keyed if present. Header to your request. All right. Huh. Xget cache key. All right, well, please remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know how I'm doing. And so, I don't really know what to do here. HTTP history. I think when I was having the issues with param miner in the last video, I think that's because I had param miner settings. I add dynamic cache buster. And so I turned that off. We'll try it out today, see if things are working better. Add SCBZ. I don't know what, add a stack. See, this is the one that I had checked. We need a cache buster header. And this one wasn't it, right? Add a static all output. This doesn't say header. Add a static. I don't know if that's it. We're not going to check it yet. Okay. I don't see anything, just briefly browsing, but let's send it. So extensions, param miner, guess params. Do we want, I'm really lost on this one. Guess params, guess headers. Let's run this for now. But it also said that there's an unkeyed. So if we do like A equals A, there's something on this page. Let's look through the rest of these. See if there's anything that stands out. All right, I don't see anything there. Let's go here and look at their response. And look for anything on the page. Remember, it said that the visits the home page. I don't see, and we need to be able to trigger a cross-site scripting vulnerability. It's not going to be in the header of the blog SVG or that. Or that. Or that. Okay. Let's send this to repeater. And blah equals BBAA. And we'll search for blah. No. BBAA. No. because of the query string. Okay, so it's not necessarily on the home page, just whatever we get. Okay, so let's look at one of the posts. We're going to try to click through all of these. All right, now let's look at what we've got. Proxy, HTTP history. What is this? Okay, let's look through here. Like maybe CSS, canonical. Huh. What about that? Well, the canonical. How would we use that? I don't know. So that it said that a user regularly visits the site's homepage using Chrome. Ooh, I wonder if that's important. Dang. Let's read up on one of these. Okay. And this is via Unkeyed. It's this one. Unkeyed query string. If the response is so, all right. I didn't even check that. We got a cache hit. And we got a hit there. We got something here. Secret header, secret input header. What's the header? That one we can ignore. That one we can ignore. And the reason why I'm saying we can ignore it because it's duplicate headers. It already has a header. So, all right, let's go back to what we were reading. So we need to add the cache buster. We add static dynamic cache buster and include cache busters in headers. So I don't know how to stop param miner. Let's just check this thing. So we want this one, static, and then include. I want to turn this one off for now. We're looking for something that says headers, include paths. I don't see it. I don't mind. I don't see anything cache buster header. It was include cache busters in headers. Include cache busters in headers. Okay. I don't know why. I would want that. Force canary. Key method, key server. Type timeout. Include origin. No. Domain param name. Schema. Include path in cache busters. So if we had this, but it said something about headers would be good. Not key. This is not going to be a good video, is it? I do not see. Avoid key content type. Filter. Well, I don't see anything that said what this include cache busters in headers. I don't see that. But let's see if it's actually doing it anyway. Flow. So what we would expect. Holy moly. There's lots of cache busters in this header. If that's, I mean, look at that. All right, let's keep going. So we've got proxy. We need to, all right, we're repeater. Let's do that pragma. Should we try to find it first? Or do the pragma trick in the hints? Yeah, let's do the pragma thing. So I'm going to go here and put this in this request. Xcache key. What? Oh, does that mean? Ah. So it just means that it's getting any parameters. Wonder why. I'm not familiar with this type of encoding, I guess. Interesting. All right, so what do we need to do now? We need to figure out how to reliably miss the cache and then find the XSS. So if the Xcache key is just this, oh, it's like that? No. That's a hit. That's a hit. Well, we can try this other stuff. So let's try get %2f. Miss, and it's not found. Okay. Index. Not found. All right. So we got Apache. And this is viewed differently, miss, than this. Age 9. And I can't tell. The times are too close. 27. So if I do this again, what's the age? 35. So do it again. We got a hit on with 1. So if this one is now still valid, it's a miss. Okay. So we know those two are different. How does that help us? So we need to find an XSS. I don't think that helped us really, right? Oh, we can do the headers. We saw these. Let's try this. Accept encoding cache buster. Miss cache buster A. Hit. Okay, so that one's not gonna work. Except right here, we can do, yeah, let's do this. Accept text. Miss. Hit. That's not gonna work. Cookie. Hit. Now, origin. Miss. Hey, there we go. Looks like origin. Nice. Okay. So we can kill off, well, whatever. We don't need to. But now that we have that, oh, look at that. It's going to be right here that we can do the XSS, isn't it? So what if we did, boom, single quote, percent to F, boom. But that's in the head. Oh, that's why they specified Chrome. Because we're supposed to do a yeah. Okay. I get it now. Let's go to XSS cheat sheet. And right there. Oops, come on. Now we want what is it? It's in the header. Not there. Not there. We could look up in our JavaScript. Did we? No. It's like, it's on the tip of my brain. All right, we want Chrome. So it's not style. Let's do the, I know what, dang it. PXMind. Let's open up the freaking one for cross-site scripting. Recent XSS. All right. Delivery, JavaScript. This one is at least one access key. But we need them to, that's at least one I was thinking of. But can't we do something with like, oh, what if we, I'm gonna have to do a search. XSS in HTML head. I wonder if, because we're up here in the head, we're not in title yet, but we could create a title. Jeez Louise. Consuming tags. I don't think it's that. It's not restricted characters. It's not frameworks or protocols. This is it. Oh no, that's the access key one. I wonder if that's it. A user regularly visits this site's homepage using Chrome. Ah, man, I hate guessing. AngularJS, DOM, dangling markup. These are it's got to be that access key one. All right, I'm going to try that. I guess I figured out we'll do the access key, and then if it doesn't solve it, we'll look at the solution. But we're really close to figuring this out. Show. And what we've got is the origin. And then we can just put the access key. We did this, and this is us. And then, let's go to raw. See what it actually looks like. Put our payload there. Comment out the rest. Oh, we can't. HTML. So let's go back to here and search for the access key. Not that one, this. Support on head, yeah. That's what I should have done. I should have limited this to head. Head, Chrome, well, I didn't. Oh, wow. Link rel canonical. Oh, we can just add the access key equal X on click alert 1. So, because we're already in a link rel. So our payload will be something like %20. And then what was it? 1 here. Let me write this down. I hate that I can't. Maybe that'll work. All right, so I want. Let's go to 2 rel canonical. So we're gonna put this in. Oh, we need to single quote this. Boom. %20. And then this stuff. Oh, behind the %20. And then we're going to highlight all of this. Control U. Send. Let's send this to like off the screen. This was sent, right? Send. Boom, look at that. That's what we want. Okay, this is our payload, and then all we have to do to cache that is remove this origin. And it will be cached as the home page. Sweet. All right, let's write up the script. Enough fooling around. What is this here? We want Python utils / create script for that. And then we will highlight this, copy, paste. And then we'll vim web cache poisoning via. There we go. All right, Kate. What I said we need to do. One, all we need to do is send request with XSS payload. Check if poisoned. To check if solved. It's basically all we got to do. It's going to be real simple. So the URL poison URL will be blog.base URL plus yeah, let's do it. What does that single quote doesn't need to be? No. All right, I'm going to just highlight this. Copy. Let's change these to single quotes. We'll escape this first one and change this last one to single quotes. We could URL encode all of that. Let's do that. So payload equals single quote, boom, access key equals double quote X, single space on click equals, boom, alert 1, boom, like that. And then we'll need URL lib from URL lib dot parse import quote, boom, boom, payload print log.debug poison URL. I think that's right. Let's check it. Except for that, the spaces didn't get. None of this got. Oh. Quote. It's because I never did it. All right. Let's check that. Copy address. We'll go here. Well, I don't want to do the whole address. I want to just do to there. Let's say to the single quote. One more. Okay. Make sure that's all in one. Nope, it's not. All right, let's send that. See what we get. We get access key alert. That's fine. Let's turn off this. Just so it's no longer in our grill. I did turn it off. Why is it still there? Okay, that time it's not. Sweet. And then we've got this errant single quote here. We can do on click right there, put a single quote, and then delete this double quote, send. Oh, that was a hit. Okay. Access key on click. Yeah, that looks better. Sweet. All right. Now, let's fix up this to match the changes. I put double quote. Should we just do, yeah, let's just do double quotes everywhere. Unclicked. Not that. That. I'm going to add the single quote. Yeah. That should be good. Let's check it one more time. We'll do to the %20. Send. Oh, let's cache bust it. Send. Oh no, it's origin. Okay. Canonical. Boom, boom. Boom. Access key equals X. On click equals alert 1. Yeah, that looks perfect. All right. So that's our poison URL. Now we want to let's poison cache def poison cache. We're going to do blog.get response. Boom, boom. So let's move this stuff up to here. Let's import blog. Blog get response poison URL. Let's return resp equals, let's just return this. Return that. And then we can do def is poisoned. We can check on this one if it's poisoned by doing a blog.get response to blog.base URL resp equals that if access key equals in, we can do even x in resp.text return true. Sweet. And then we can check the cache age. Def is cached. Blog. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to poison the cache. We want to check resp equals poison cache blog if resp dot headers dot get x cache equals hit That should be in quotes. If we get a hit, then we know log.info cache not poisoned. We need to wait. In fact, we can put all of this into here. Wait time equals resp.headers.get age if wait time time.sleep 35 minus int wait time. So if it's 5 seconds old, we need to wait 30 seconds. That works. Import time. And then we want to do, and that's all, xcache and age. Yep. And we got the mass age. Okay. And then once we do that, and we want to loop through this. While true, resp equals poison cache if hit cache not poisoned while is solved. I'll just do that. Solved. While not blog dot is solved. I'm just gonna go through that. We're not ever using this is poisoned, but whatever. If xcache equals hit, we can check right here. Else if log.debug if is poisoned blog. Let's change this resp. Delete that. Resp. Log.info cache is poisoned. And then we need to, if the cache is poisoned, we'll wait time.sleep 20. All right, let's run this, see how we're doing. Cache not poisoned. We need to tell ourselves how long we're sleeping. Log.info sleeping for wait time seconds. Oh, you know what? That checking if solved is going to kill us. Dang, that's not going to work, is it? So we need to do this. We need to try to poison it and then check if it's solved. So while true, resp equals, so we're going to try to poison it. And then we're going to sleep, wait, try to poison it. And then at the end, so we can check is solved. If is solved, if blog is solved, then we're gonna do break. Okay. But we don't want this to execute after. We want after this, we want to continue, right? Because we don't want it to go through this. I think that's right. We'll see. Cache not poisoned. Sleeping for 16 seconds. And again, we don't know if our payload's right. I mean, it makes sense to me that it's right. Cache is poisoned. Sweet. Oh, that's... Cache not poisoned. So let's see how we're doing. Proxy. We're getting... So that should poison it right there. And that should poison it for everyone on the home page. No. All right. Well, let's see. Look at the... Wait. Let's see if we're doing this right. So, we need to get the home... Well, it doesn't matter. It's a miss. This was a hit. Canonical... What the... Why was that a hit? This should established... I'm gonna... Extender... Unload param miner. Again. Okay. This got a hit. Ah, see, that's what we wanted to see. Hit and... Hit with that. Hit. This establishes it. Boom. Cache not poisoned. It should have been poisoned there. Huh. All right. Well, everything looks like it's working from my perspective. If I go here and view page source, I expect that the link canonical is not right. Let's try it again. There, see? So either we got the payload wrong, at least that's what I'm thinking. We got the payload wrong. All right, I'm gonna look at the solution to see what it is. Yep, did all that. We found the origin header as a cache buster, did that. Did that. Oh. Dang. I didn't think that would work. Maybe I got blinded by that and it was actually somewhere else. I didn't think you could do a script. Maybe it's only in Chrome you can do a script. All right. Dang it. Well, I think we were real close. I'm going to DT there. I'm going to remove this. Yeah. All right, let's try that. I didn't think you could do a script in... Oh, yeah, it's never going to be poison now. Let's do if alert 1. Alert 1. Let's check it out. Hey, it does work. What do you know? All right, well, that's pretty much it. Too bad I didn't get this one right. But I should have just tried it instead of trying to go, oh well. Anyway, we found that the origin was using the origin header. We were able to bypass the cache. You get a not cached result. And so we used that to play around with the site and notice that the URL parameter was reflected in the canonical link tag. There's our solve. And so once we found that, we built a payload to exploit that reflected vulnerability in using XSS. And then we just requested that page, and that's how we solved it. Took a long time for me to solve this one, and I didn't do it right, which is unfortunate. But in the end, it's all good. I had to change out. Anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Goodbye.